Hallo zusammen, wie geht es? So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see one very important topic in Goethe A1 speaking module. Okay, as all of you know, this is our full A1 speaking course series, right? So this is our part 7, and in this part, we'll see how to talk about a picture because there will be one task in this module that you will be given one picture card. It is called as build card, and in that some picture will be there, very basic, like on day-to-day activities, and then you will have to talk about that particular picture. So in today's video, I'll just give you one sample picture and how to talk about that picture. That also we are going to see here. So without wasting any time, we'll just start with the video. I'll share one screen with you. You will get to know what is this build Carter. Okay. Now, and just gentle reminder, if you are new to my channel and you are preparing for Goethe A1, do subscribe to my channel because I come up with all these exam related videos. So stay tuned. Now in A1 speaking, there will be build card, meaning picture card. Some picture will be given to you. Here I have given you two pictures, but mostly there will be only one picture on that card, and they will just club it and they will give you that picture card. Now here I have taken one example, a supermarket. Okay. In German, it is Supermarkt. Now you have to say, just look at this picture and then talk about this picture. Just imagine that this is just a one picture. Okay. Ich sehe einen Supermarkt. Okay, you can start with I see a supermarket. Eine Frau kauft Obst. Okay, a lady, she is buying. Obst is fruit. Okay, so she is buying. As all of you can see here, one lady is buying fruit. Then in next picture, ein Mann bezahlt an der Kasse. A man is actually he is paying at the counter. Okay, so bezahlt is to pay. In der Kasse, Kasse is counter. So you just this is more than enough in your speaking test. Just 3-4 sentences. Keep sentences simple. Don't complicate because this is Goethe A1. So this is at a basic level. So actually, if you complicate sentences, you make long sentences, there will be a possibility of making mistakes. To avoid those, just speak simple sentences confidently. You have to speak confidently. And just understand this rule, subject plus verb plus object. This is very important. Even if you make simple sentences, but this rule you have to follow. First subject will come, ish, then they is verb, they will come, and then supermarket is object. Okay, in any sentence, if you can see, eine Frau kauft Obst. Frau is the subject, kauft is verb, and Obst is object fruit. Same as in ein Mann bezahlt an der Kasse. Man is subject, bezahlt is verb, and Kasse is object. So just keep this in mind. This rule you have to follow. Okay. So I hope this is clear with you. That's all for today, friends. See you in next video. Till then, practice your speaking test. Thank you and bye-bye.